वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 7 का सोशल साइंस चैप्टर नंबर 1 विजयनगर एम्पायर, ये कर्नाटक स्टेट बोर्ड का फर्स्ट चैप्टर है सोशल साइंस का। तो इसके टेक्स्ट बुक के एक्सरसाइज इस वीडियो में देखेंगे। तो फर्स्ट है फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स। इन फर्स्ट पॉइंट, मिलिट्री लीडर ऑफ देवराया। सेकंड, हु डिफीटेड श्रीलंकन काइंड and received tribute? The answer is Lakhan Danesh. Second, Krishna Dev Raya married Gajapati Prataprudras daughter. तो इसका आंसर है जगन मोहिनी। थर्ड पॉइंट, इन विजयनगर किंगडम वरह was a dash coin. The answer is golden. Fourth point, foreign traveler who said all rain coexisted peacefully in Vijayanagar kingdom was? The answer is Barbosa. Fifth point, art and sculpture of Vijayanagara was the evolutionary form of Dravidian style dash said this. The answer is Percy Brown. And second question, answer the following question in one sentences. In first question, who is the founder of Vijayanagar kingdom? The answer is Harihara Bukkaraya Kampana, Marappa and Mudappa are the founder of Vijayanagar kingdom. Second point, name the dynasties that ruled Vijayanagar. The answer is Sangama dynasty and Salvia dynasty, Tulavia dynasty and Arvaidu dynasty were the dynasties that ruled Vijayanagar. Third question, name the famous king of Sangam dynasty. The answer is Proud Devraya II was the famous kingdom from the Sangama dynasty. Fourth question, name the famous and greatest king of Vijayanagar kingdom. The answer is Krishna Dev Raya. Fifth question, when did the Rakasa Tangdi war take place? The answer is 1565 January 23rd. 6. Name the sources of income for the Vijayanagar kingdom. The answer is 1/6 of land revenue was the collected. It was major income and trade tax, profession tax, road tax, fair tax, export tax and tribute in cash were other incomes for the Vijayanagar kingdom. 7th question, name the festival celebrated in Vijayanagar kingdom. The answer is Dasra and Deepavali. 8th question, name the main crops grown in Vijayanagar kingdom. The answer is rice, maize, sugarcane and cotton crops were the major crops grown in Vijayanagar kingdom. 9th question, name the musical creation of Krishna Dev Raya. The answer is Vitthal Swami temple was the musical creation of Krishna Dev Raya. 10th question, name the foreigner who visited Vijayanagar. The answer is Domingo Peace and Barbosa. Question, name the important temples from Vijayanagar kingdom. The answer is Kalyan Mantappa of Virupaksha temple in Hampi, Hazara, Rameswamy, Ramaswamy temple, Vitthal Swami temple, Krishna Swami temple, Kamal Mahal, Srinagari's Vidya Shankar temple are some important temples which were built during their rules. Discuss and answer. First, write a note on Krishna Dev Raya's conquest. The answer is Krishna Dev Raya seized Sivnasmudra fort from Umuttur chief Ganga Raja in 1510 CE. Later he won Udayagiri fort. Then in 1518 CE he captured Cuttack, the capital of Gajapati Prataparudra, a Kalinga king, by defeating him and married his daughter Jagan Mohini. In 1522 CE he recaptured Raichur from the king of Adil Shah, Ismail Adil Khan. Later he recaptured Kalburagi Bidar fort. He got released, the son of king who was imprisoned by Behmani prime minister and restored him to power in Bidar. For this he got the title Yuan Rajya Pratishat Pancharya. Vijayanagar kingdom was expanded in all four directions at the time of his death in 1529 CE. Question 2. Make a list of literary work from Vijayanagar period. The answer is, during the reign of Vijayanagar, literature of Sanskrit, Telugu and Kannada developed immensely. Vidyaranya wrote books like Shankar Vijaya and Sarvadarshan Sangraha in Sanskrit. His brother Acharya also wrote books called Siddharth Prakash and Ayurveda Sudhanidhi. King and their family members also created sufficient literature. Among them, Ganga Devi wrote Madhura Vijayam. Prauda Devraya wrote great drama called Sudhanidhi. Krishna Devraya wrote Jambavati, Kalyana, Madalsa Charitam and Ras Manjari. Kumarasya Sadugina Bharata Ratnakarvanis Bharatesh Vaibhava Chamarsas Prabhulingaya Lili were significant literary works in Kannada. Lakhanas, Shivatatvas, Chainatmani, Bhim poets, Baswa Purana were the contribution to the Veer Shiva literature. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मैच द फॉलोइंग. गंगा देवी, तो इसका सेकंड आंसर आएगा मधुरा विजय. देवराय सेकंड, तो इसका फोर्थ आंसर आएगा गजवेंद्रगरा. कृष्ण देवराया थर्ड का फर्स्ट आंसर आएगा आंध्रभुजा. श्रृंगेरी फोर्थ का सेकंड आंसर आएगा. थर्ड आंसर आएगा विद्याशंकर देवलय. ठीक है. एडिशनल क्वेश्चन आंसर, राइट अ रक्स तंगेड़ी बैटल. द आंसर इज ऑन 23rd January of 1565 CE. The Raksa Tangdi war began between the united army of Sultan and the army of Vijayanagara on the bank of Krishna river, and Ram Raya died in the war. Sultanates loot Vijayanagara, Tirumala and Venkata, sons of Ramaraya, who escaped from war, ran away to Penukonda. Later, Aravidu dynasty started their ruling from 1570 to 1646 CE by making Penukonda, Chandragiri and later Vellore as their capitals. By this war, feudal chief of Mysuru, Keladi, Chitradurga, Yalanka and Sarapur became independent ruler in Karnataka. Question 2. Describe about contribution of Vijayanagara emperors towards arts and sculpture. The answer is, great historian Percy Brown, on observing the temple, monuments and sculpture statue, states that art and sculpture of Vijayanagara was the evolutionary form of Dravidian style. The temple of that period were built with strong granite rock. Kalyana Mantapa of Virupaksha temple in Hampi, Hazra Ramaswamy temple, Vitthal Swami temple, Krishna Swami temple, Kamal Mahal, Sringeri, Vidyashankar temple are some important temples which were built during their rule. Very spacious enclosures, high tower, very wide marriage halls, मीटिंग हॉल, स्प्रिंग पेविलियन, वेयर द फीचर ऑफ टेम्पल्स ऑफ विजयनगर पीरियड। ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ इस वीडियो में ये चैप्टर यहीं पे ख़त्म होता है। अगर वीडियो पसंद आता है तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।